How's it going, guys? Welcome back. I just got ice. I ate a little bit of breakfast. Got some gas. We finna go find some new ponds in the forest and hopefully get on some fish. Like I've been saying in my past videos, it has been tough for me. I don't know why. I think maybe I forgot how to fish, or I just can't fish. One of them two. I don't know. But we're gonna try to get on some fish today. Yeah. It's raining! Ugh! Why? It's okay. We're still going fishing. We're here. We're here. Look at this juicy place. Ooh. Oh yeah. Get to fishing. I'm gonna go to the chest mount on. And we're gonna start casting. I don't even know what I want to throw. I'm gonna throw a chatterbait, worm. I just want to catch fish. I ain't trying to challenge myself. I just want to catch some fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. First cast. What I did was I went on Google Maps and I found a few places and I kind of marked them. You know what I'm gonna do is when I go to leave here, I'm gonna go back on the maps and I'm gonna look for another little pond that's somewhat close to here, and we're gonna hit it. All right, we're gonna walk around. Seeing little fish busting. Bet they're jumping at them dragonflies, like always. There is some dark clouds coming. The storm's coming. I don't know where I heard that from. So every time a storm comes by, I start thinking about that voice. Talking about the storm's coming. I don't even know. Probably something from like Twister or something. Alright, last cast. We're gonna walk around. It is definitely getting windy. I do believe it's about to storm on me. Well, maybe this rain will make these fish bite. So I'm still gonna be fishing. You don't scare me. Oh, hey, look. I believe that's a spider wire pack. A Burger King crown. Oh, yeah. Dang Burger King out here. Oh. This is where I hear y'all busting at. Alright. Look at this. This grass. Oh. Look at that. I knew it. I heard them busting in here. I knew it. You're a little guy, ain't you? Hey, buddy. Hey. See you later, Dinker. I really keep hearing something in these woods behind me. I'm really hoping it's just the wind pushing stuff off the trees. There's bears out here. Panthers, lions, tigers, bears, oh my. I don't want to encounter none of them. Especially by myself. I'm not sure what I'd have to do if I seen one. I'd hope it's going the opposite direction I am. If not, I'll definitely be going the opposite direction it is. Oh, that's thick mud. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. It sounds like there's a truck coming. I don't mind sharing the pond. Just don't take nothing out my Jeep. I may cross on the other side of my Jeep across the pond. There's probably not much I could do if they wanted to take something out of my Jeep. I could try to run to get them. But by then, they'll probably be gone. Ready? Next spot. Gotta watch for snakes. Oh, take a jump. Whoa. Oh, stepping in water. There was a bass right there. He got it. Hey, it's another dinker. Hey, you took my worm, dude. It's not nice. That is not nice. Alright. Another tank. Look at that. Big boy. Just kidding, guys. I don't know if y'all go to Bass Pro or not. But I tell you what, if you like Senkos, I feel like this is the best deal that I have found so far. If y'all know a better deal, please let me know. Comment me and let me know. So last night, me and my buddy was on the boat fishing. I didn't record it. I didn't record it because, you know, it's night. My cameras won't pick up nothing at nighttime. You'll probably just hear us talking. And he was sitting there telling me about this guy at work. One of his friends at work, you know, was telling me, hey man, you gotta spit on your worm, man. You gotta spit on your worm. Well, Johnny was telling me that. And Johnny, I guess he decided to do it. He spit on his worm. And I'll be dang. He spit on his worm, cast it out there. 2 seconds later, Johnny caught a fish. Now, I'm not a believer in it. You know, I think it was very coincidental what happened, but it was funny because, you know, he just talked about that, and first time he's ever done it, bam, he catches a fish. It was hilarious. I thought he was messing with me when he said he had a fish. But it was a nice little 2-pounder. It was funny. Cool thing about fishing out here in the forest, you know, if you can walk around the pond, you get a good little workout. Nice little walk, nature, mud puddles that you don't know if you can walk in the middle of and not too sure how to go around. I'm gonna end up falling. I know it. Oh goodness. Snake territory. Oh, okay, we made it out. We're good. I didn't get bit. Alrighty. Let's see. Let's up some more. What is this? Looks like a new puddle. There's 2 places to fish there. Well, this is where we're going. Alright, where are we at? There. We'll go ahead and put a little mark on that. Alright. We found the next spot. About to head to it. Maybe there'll be some bigger fish here. I'm hoping anyway. Any fish is fun though. I love catching small, big, medium, large, whatever. I really like big ones. I like them big ones, but I'm gonna tell you, I like them fat girls. But any fish is fine. It's always fun to catch a fish. I'm always thankful for every fish I catch. But we will be coming back here. And it looks like it's about to storm again. See y'all at the next pond. think this is not a fishable place. It's looking like a neighborhood. It's probably somebody's pond in their backyard. Yep, it's right behind this house. Yep. Well, that sucks. Well, guess we gotta find another place to go. Lady on the porch back there looking at me funny. She know I ain't supposed to be back here. It's probably all her family that lives back here. There's another pond right there. Dang. Alright, well, let's find another spot to go to. It's starting to rain again. I'm not too mad about the rain. It's actually keeping it kind of cool, which I'm happy for, because I do not feel like burning up today. I do not.
Turn right onto Mount Carey Road, NFR 215, then turn left onto Mount Carey Road.
Let me tell y'all something, man. Don't ever put full trust into a GPS system. The spot that I just had that we was about to go to, that's not even the spot that I pinpointed and was wanting to go to. It took me the opposite direction and made me go in some loop. We're in the right direction now. Hopefully the dang, let me roll my window up. It's raining, it's cold. Hopefully it'll get me there. Hopefully the rain won't be too tough on me. Slacking up a little bit. But yeah, don't put your full trust in the dang GPS. It will get you lost for sure. It'll take you somewhere where you do not need to be. Like back there, I don't know, I'm pretty sure they were all family, and I do not think they like strangers. You know what I'm saying? Well, we are at the next pond. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing this jacket in the middle of the summer. Yeah. Well, I got a little stuck back there. I didn't want to dig too deep, so I wouldn't put it in four-wheel drive. Well, in my Jeep, there's a little pin that likes to slide out. So, I had to get out in the rain, get under the Jeep, and put that pin back in so I could put it in four-wheel drive and crawl out. But I'm good. We're good. We are not stuck. We're good. We're here. Really hoping we can get a topwater bite. Good old frog bite. Love them. Love them. Let's go. There goes the pallet I was standing on when I caught that 6-pounder. I think I just had one fall on it. Got him. I knew I had one fall on it. I seen him. Look at the little guy. What's up, Dinker? This is too much for you. You're trying to overfill yourself. You gotta watch your figure, buddy. What's up with the dinks today? Alright. Got a topwater bite. I knew I just had one falling. I seen a wake, and the wake was too much to be from a frog. Well, I'm on the other side of the pond and it started drizzling again. I think I'm gonna wait for it to slack off. I don't think it's gonna stay around long. It's been on and off all day and it's been short spurts. So I'm gonna wait. It's cold though. That rain's cold. But I'm glad it's raining because the bite kind of, even the action. When it stopped raining, I noticed that nothing was happening. I didn't hear no hits. I didn't see no swirls. You know, I think the pressure was too high or something. I don't know. They just stopped biting. So maybe they'll start biting after this little rain again. And we try to catch a freaking mondo, something bigger than a half a pound. This is one of them half a pound days, I guess. Jeez. Freaking half a pounds. They're fun though. Little ones are fun, big ones are funner. Giants, man, that's just, you catch a giant, you get your heart going. Just go to screaming. Don't even know why you're screaming, you're just screaming. Ain't nobody around to celebrate with you. If you catch, sometime when you catch them big ones, and you're like, woo, woo. And then by the time you realize you're screaming out there in the woods, it's like, dang, what if somebody heard me? What if the Florida wildlife finna come up 10 deep in trucks thinking somebody's in trouble? They pull up, are you okay, man? Yeah, man, I'm good. I just caught a freaking 10-pound bass. Caught a freaking monster. The rain has stopped, so we finna fish. Hopefully it brought the bite back out. Oh, okay, got a good one. Finally. Got a nice one. Oh, yeah. Goodness, he ate that frog, though. Oh, right in the top of the mouth. Thank you. Finally. He bit right there at the bank, too. Good old joker. Huh? Good old guy. All right, little buddy. Or, okay, buddy. You have a good swim. Thanks for the fun. Sorry that I hooked you. Oh yeah. That's what we needed. He was right there at the bank too. Alrighty, we were at the last stop. And it is getting really overcasty. No, it's getting kind of dark, so yeah, it's the last stop. Look at my truck. Oh man. Woo! Got a little mud on my tires. It's a Jeep. That's what it's made for, right? Let's get them. Of course, it's starting to drizzle again. Uh-oh. Got a decent one. Feels good. Feels good. Come here. Come here, biggin. Oh, he ain't that big. He must have got wrapped up in some stuff. Alrighty. Hey, booger. Wow. He's strong, though. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Another nice one. Another nice one. All right. That makes me happy. Good catch. He felt way bigger. I thought he was huge. I thought he was a giant. Well, little buddy. Good old Lake Fork guy is right. They smell so good. All right, buddy. See you later. Look at him just creeping. Well, ladies and gents, it is time to end the video. It was an alright day. Caught a few dinks and a couple, 2-pounders. It's alright. At least we didn't get shut out. And we weren't really fishing in the beaming sun today, which is always a plus. Always a plus. If you look now, it's like an overcast. There's so many clouds. It's, it's on and off rain, which ain't bad. Which, it's alright. But I guess it's the end. See you on the next video. Please subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. Just give me something, Show me some kind of love. Even hate. Show me hate, show me love. It's fine. But just go check out this video and check out the other videos. But until next time, see y'all later.